In this video, I will show you how to refer a friend on Bitget. So first of all, open up your Bitget app. And if you aren't started yet on Bitget, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. Absolutely for free. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that link. Anyway, let's dive into this video by clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our home tab. And under quick access next to rewards, we can see referral. So let's click on this. And in this screen, you can see that you can become a premier inviter and enjoy a 25% rebate. And in order to get started, you need to click on activate now in here. And as you can see, you need to make one eligible invitee in 30 days, or all invitees reach a total trading volume of 5,000 USDT within the last 30 days. And your identity needs to be verified. And if you have this done, you can claim your bonus. So in order to get started, you need to click on invite now from here. And in here, you can see that we can copy a code down below, that we can save this image, and then we can send it to people and they can scan a QR code for that. Or you can just directly send it through Telegram, WhatsApp, or Insights. Or you can click on more to access more platforms. So I would say copy this link in here and then go ahead and send it to friends. And when your friends sign up through that link, you will eventually get your bonus if they follow every step. So if you still need to get started on Bitget, then as I already said, check the link in the description absolutely for free to earn a nice bonus and to get started really well. So anyway, that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.